Hello, and my name is Miranda Penland. I will be talking about worldview today. Oxford Dictionary definition of a worldview is defined as a person's way of thinking and understanding life, which depends on their beliefs and attitudes of the world. My definition from that is the way we view the world. A metaphor that I can correspond with worldview is the TV show Mr. Rogers. His mother told him when he was little, "You will always find the helpers out in the world if you look hard enough." And that's true, because us Christians, we should be going out and helping other people. There's always going to be good and evil in the world, ever since the beginning of time. So those good people will still be out there when things happen. So we still need to look for the good in the world. So going back to my definition, if I had to change it, a worldview is how we proclaim the world and look through for good people.